Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create royal vibes here for royal theme on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to go to the hairstyle section and I'm going to show you the hair combos to create royal vibes. The first one, you can choose this hairstyle and then I'm going to change the color. I'm going to make it darker like this. And then for the second hairstyle, I'm going to recommend you to choose this one and color it the same. I'm going to make it a brown, dark brown like this. And then the third one, you can choose, wait, I'm still looking for the hairstyle. Okay, this one, but you need to choose bangs only. This one, and this is the final result, and I'm going to show you the details. Okay, this is for the front look. It looks gorgeous, right? And as you can see, the detail, it's so beautiful. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create royal hair vibes on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.